Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a super useful guide for you. We're diving into how to create an H&M account in 2024, ensuring you get access to the latest styles, exclusive deals, and a seamless shopping experience at www.hm.com. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.hm.com. In the address bar, hit enter and you'll be taken directly to H&M's official website. Once you're in, choose the location where you're from. Now click on the profile button that's on the top right besides the magnifying glass. Now you can see the sign in piece, but will be applying to become a member. You will now see a registration form asking for your details. Fill in your email address, create a password, make sure it's strong and secure, and enter your first and last name. You might be asked for additional information like your date of birth and gender depending on the region. Next, you'll see options for subscription preferences. If you want to stay updated with the latest offers, news, and styles for H&M, tick the box to subscribe to their newsletter. The steps is optional, so it's all up to your preference. Before you finish, make sure to read through the terms and conditions and privacy notice. If you agree, tick the box to accept. Now click the create account and sign up. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of an H&M account.